The Milwaukee 2821-22 Reciprocating Saw Kit is engineered for exceptional performance and durability, making it ideal for challenging job site applications. It features a POWERSTATE Brushless Motor that delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute and a 1 1/4 inch stroke length for rapid material removal. The tool's REDLINK PLUS electronics optimize performance and protect against overload, overheating, and over-discharging, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable operation. With the M18 REDLITHIUM XC5.0 batteries, users benefit from extended runtime and increased work output per charge compared to other batteries. Designed for tough conditions, this saw includes a wear-resistant blade change system, anti-corrosion blade clamp, and metal-reinforced battery rails for enhanced durability. The lightweight design, adjustable shoe, integrated LED light, and convenient hanging hook make it a versatile and user-friendly tool for various applications.